One of the most emerging markets today are women-owned businesses. They're bringing in 65% of the growth. And why? Well, there's a story behind it, and I'd like to share with you Eileen's story. Eileen had a great job, and she had some life changes that occurred. She got married, climbed up the corporate ladder with promotions, and they had babies, many babies. And she always did the right thing, paid her taxes, was always on time for everything, but her quality of life was missing. She really just wanted to spend more time with her children and have the availability to watch them grow up. Well, she had dinner with some friends, her and her husband, and she shared their dream of what they wanted to accomplish. And she shared how afraid that she always was of the outcome. They talked with her about a company called Alpha and Omega, and they shared an interesting concept with her, and how Alpha and Omega was able to describe the 401k losses, and how the economy had effect on their bottom line, and bank fees. And they also shared the infinite banking concept, which they are specialists in. Well, they sat down with Eileen and her husband, and they created a financial plan. And they showed her the income versus debt. They talked about all the interest that she was paying out on credit cards, and how a bank could just close your account in a heartbeat. All the taxes that were being lost. And they also talked about the legacy for her family. Well, Alpha and Omega put all the pieces together. And now, Eileen and her husband are 3 years away from purchasing that B&B in Hawaii and having the most wonderful life with their children. Contact Alpha and Omega today